Okay, let's see if you were able to find the mistake. So this person has distributed. We have negative times negative is positive. So this is the first mistake. 3 times 4 is 12, but there's an X there. So they had the wrong sign and they forgot the variable so far. Negative, oh, it looks like they just put both signs. We do not put two signs in front of a number, okay? You got to pick one. So negative times positive is negative. 3 times 5 is 15. So they got the 15 right, but x times x should be x squared. So they left that exponent off. So the mistakes were, don't forget to type out your answer. The mistakes were, I'm just going to list mine. So colon, number 1, negative 3x times negative 4 is 12x, not negative 12. That's the first mistake. The second mistake, plus minus means minus. And the third mistake, negative 3x times 5x is negative 15x squared, not negative 15x. So however you explain your mistakes, just make sure you explained all three of them. I just like to say what the answer actually is, but you might say a negative times a negative is a positive for your first mistake. That's fine. You might say you can't have two signs in front of a number. That could be how you explain the second mistake. And you might just say x times x is x squared. You don't have to necessarily talk about the coefficient. So there's different ways to explain it. Just make sure you talked about all three mistakes that were made. Your exit ticket today is I excel again. It's an 8th grade skill, so we're going to work until we get to an 80. You're going to go to 8th grade, V13. If there's no star by it, you're doing the wrong thing. If it's not distributing, you're doing the wrong thing. So make sure you choose 8th grade, go to V13. Once you get to an 80, you are finished with your math for today. Okay, last little question. Explain how to distribute 4 times the quantity of y plus 3. Well, to distribute, comma, you will multiply, keyword, 4 by y, then multiply 4 by 3. That's it. You can say what the answer is. The answer is 4y plus 12, but they didn't really ask for that. They just wanted to know how do you do it. So if you don't have the word multiply in there, you need to go back and add it because that is the key to what distributing is.